I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I fold my blanket neatly. I fold my blanket neatly.
I brush my teeth carefully. I splash water on my face. I splash water on my face. I comb my hair slowly. I comb my hair slowly. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water.
I eat a simple breakfast. I eat a simple breakfast.
I'm going to bath. I'm going to bath.
I pack my bag for the day. I pack my bag for the day. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. I lock the door before leaving. I lock the door before leaving. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I greet my teacher politely. I greet my teacher politely. I ask questions when I don't understand. I ask questions when I don't understand. I listen carefully in class. I listen carefully in class.
I write neatly in my notebook. I write neatly in my notebook.
I come back home in the evening. I come back home in the evening. I change my clothes after college. I change my clothes after college. I finish my homework on time. 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 I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I wash my face before bed. I wash my face before bed. I go to sleep peacefully. I go to sleep peacefully.